Alright, here we are in the last part of the series. I want to put a caveat. I go up first. Some people go down first. So I'll show you that is. So coming from comms download, some people will hug the bottom wall. They'll come down and do these trashes right away. And then they'll come up and do all the stuff up here. I do it backwards. I've timed it. There's not a meaningful difference. Someone found one, I would switch my ways. But I come up and I come up this way. So I'll show you what I do. Come up here. And we're going to have 5 uploads here. These 5 uploads are the same thing as before. How, of course, if you're getting slow downloads, and as soon as the bar is all the way full and the envelope is about to close, that's when you can kind of hit escape. This one will be slow. Oh, it was right on the edge. I thought it'd be slow. You'll kind of learn that, but this one will be good. I basically know how, right? So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, slow movement. That's how the bar loads. And as you watch it more, you'll learn the timing of how fast, when it needs to start moving slow to get a normal 3 cycle. One other thing that I do with this is, so for the first 4 downloads, I will hit escape so I can mash spacebar again, and then I can have my hand free, or for everyone who uses an actual mouse, your mouse is ready to just click again. However, on the 5th one, I'll actually use my hand, or for mouse people, you'll actually hover your mouse over escape, and that way I can have the direction buffered down. And I do that for all the downloads that are individual too, where I actually want to be able to move earlier. So just a little thing. If that doesn't make sense, put down in the comments and I can explain that better. You can see how far away I can be here. Oh my goodness, I could be far. I'm normally not even this good at being this far away, but you can stand this far away and get the swipe to work. Swipe's just kind of annoying. Don't go too fast, don't go too slow. Sometimes you get it. And you can exit pretty early. That's again something you have to experiment with, get your own feel. Hopefully you're understanding that, yeah, I can help you with a lot of things, but you've got to be able to just get the feeling and timing for stuff. So then we're going to come down here and do the part that the other people do first. I purposely actually don't try and hug the wall here. And let's see how far up we can get the test trigger here. Yeah, so only go this far. You might get around here, but if you go below this line, like, come on, stop yourself. There's 2 trashes here because we do 2 part 1s of trash, so now we're going to do 2 part 2s. Oh, I missed. And my computer is also being a pain in the butt. No, computer's still being a pain in the butt. Let's wait for the computer. Here we go. Get that timing early. Again, make sure you let go with your mouse, unclick, let go of the lever before you hit escape, otherwise the task won't count. Now we're going to do our last part of storage here. We're about to finish the run, and we're about to find out why that align engines glitch saves so much time. So before, I'll run up here. This is not, by the way, don't do this. Before we did this engine thing up here where we double click basically, and it didn't do the second part. Now you wouldn't think that it would only save the time of task, because I gotta come up all the way up to here and do this, and then from right here you can actually trigger to line engine task inside. It's like, oh, it's a mistake. Well, actually, so the proper movement, so you come up here. Look how far away I am. So not only are you saving the time to do the test, you're saving, I mean, that's a half second of movement right there. Plus a half second to do the test. So it saves a full second to do this. Again, you don't have to hit escape here, but also it's the last task. So the empty box will trigger here to show that we've completed it. Make sure this box triggers, otherwise the run will be rejected. And that's it. I hope this series helps. Again, please ask questions in the comments and stuff for this videos for each video. If you have a question about what I talk about in those videos, I will release one more Skeld video just going over some alternate strategies, or what to do if you don't get the right wire set but you have to keep going, or whatever, to hopefully get some things going. So I hope you enjoyed the series, and I'll see you for the Skeld Cliff Notes.